Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video, we're going to learn about consolidation of customer and vendor balances. That means, for example, if a customer is our vendor as well, so we need to know how we can do their balances. So it's still a process of learning about MB800 exam, which is a part of setup account receivable. So the last topic is consolidate customer and vendor balances. So first things first, we go towards the customers. So we need to know what we do in customer to make it as a vendor as well. So let's say we take School of Arts. So if you see this, it says balance LCY as vendor, it's 0 at the moment. So what we do is we create as, so we go home, we go contact. On this page of School of Fine Arts customer, we go to actions and functions, and you can see create as. So what you want to create as a customer, so it's already a customer, we don't want to create as a customer, and we're gonna want to create as a vendor. Would you want to create as a vendor business to business, or EU want to create as, we want to create as business to business vendor bank? It says the vendor record has been created. So if we go to vendors, we can see there is a vendor created as School of Arts. Here we go. And that's kind of a new vendor created for us. So this is a customer as vendor as well. Or you can say vendor or customer together. So our vendor is our customer is our vendor, whichever way you want to take it, whichever way it's easier for you. So we're going to take a little example. Let's say if we want to do a purchase order. So before that, I want to show you the customer again. That's the customer card. So that balance is showing 0. So you want to go to purchase order. So we want to create a new purchase order. So when you go to new create order, so which vendor you want to select? We want to select as a School of Arts. And that's the number. Obviously, what you want to buy from this vendor. So let's say if we want to buy that London sold shares. References, you can put your references whichever is. We'll not go into that at the moment. Quantity, we want to buy 2 of these. Yeah. And we won't know anything else if we need anything else. If you don't need anything else, that's fine. So the important thing is you want to have the vendor invoice number, which is important because there's a red star there. So that must be given there. We need to give it there. That's why after that, the vendor invoice, obviously we can post it. So let's say we're going to give it to vendor invoice number. That's 123654. And for example, you want to just post it, and let's say we received, and we're gonna invoice it as well. Do you want to open the posted invoices? No, we don't want to open it. So let's say if we go back to the customers again, and if we open the School of Arts, you can see we ordered 2 chairs for 125, 100 something pounds, whatever, dollar or whatever. So now you can see balance as a vendor. We got this balance as well. So that balance, obviously, the customer owe us, or customer want to give us that balance. If we need to go to give it to the customer as well. So basically, a company that you do business with might be both a customer and a vendor. I mean, when that's the case, you can avoid making unnecessary payments or receipts and save on transaction fees by consolidating the customer and vendor balances. And for example, if you want to pay to this vendor, obviously it's the customer as well. If you go to payment journals, obviously you put these details, put as vendor, so you can see the vendor number. Obviously it's a School of Arts. You select from there. Put the invoice number, School of Arts name, and you can put the amount, obviously £230, obviously we owe them. So when you select from there, obviously apply to docs number, so you want to select the doc number, this obviously, and then you can press OK. Oh, sorry, just go back. So let's see, we got there, and invoice selected there as well, and let's post it. Okay, let's see what's saying. Document number G004 is out of balance by 2030. Please check the posting date. Okay. So I've just put the balance account number here. Let's try again. If it's posting. That's it, that's posted now. Okay, that's gone through. So let's see what we got here as well. But either way, we've just posted obviously the balance for that, so that's why we posted a £3.97 extra. That's why the balance is showing as 3.97 in minus. So this is how we work with the consolidation with customer as a vendor, and I hope you understand the basics of how to consolidate the customer as a vendor. And thanks for watching.